Toyota Fortuner SUV has managed to dominate the segment since its launch in 2009, and the 2021 facelift just takes the Fortuner brand to a whole different level. While 2021 facelift doesn't come with an extensive exterior redesigning, it does feature a lot of game-changing features inside, and what's new under the hood also guarantees a wave of excitement among the Fortuner fanbase. Toyota gives the Fortuner a proper facelift with more than a subtle nip and tuck to the design. At the front, the Fortuner facelift gets a larger grille than before with sleek-looking LED projector headlights, new LED DRLs, redesigned front bumper and small fog lamps among other minor updates. It now sits on a new set of 18-inch alloy wheels redesigned to complement its much presence. At the back, the 2021 Fortuner facelift gets new set of LED tail lamps, while the premium Legender variant comes with a different pair of split quad LED headlamps, a dual-tone black roof and a special Legender badge at the back. Inside, the 2021 Toyota Fortuner facelift retains most of the design elements from its predecessor, apart from the larger 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The instrument cluster is updated along with the addition of 8-way power-adjustable and ventilated driver and co-driver seats, an 11-speaker JBL audio system and front parking sensors. The Fortuner Legender gets additional features like wireless smartphone charger and sensor-powered tailgate. The variant also boasts of connectivity features like geofencing and real-time tracking. The Toyota Fortuner facelift comes in both petrol and diesel engine options. While the 2.7-litre petrol unit churns out 166 horsepower and 245 Nm of torque, the 2.8-litre diesel engine produces 204 horsepower and 420 Nm in the top-of-the-line variants. The same is increased to 500 Nm in the Legender variant. Transmission is handled by a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic in the petrol guise, a 6-speed manual in the diesel version, and a 6-speed automatic on the Legender variant.